In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time blocking. Time blocking is an effective way to manage your schedule by dedicating specific time slots to different tasks or activities. It enhances productivity and ensures that you track every hour of your day efficiently. We'll be using Notion, a versatile tool that can be customized to suit your planning preferences. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Notion's official website. It's user-friendly and intuitive, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned planners alike. Once there, go ahead and click on the Login button located on the top right corner. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your account. If you usually sign in through Google, proceed by clicking on the Google option. After that, select the account you want to use. This should bring you to your personal Notion dashboard. Now let's add some structure to your dashboard by incorporating a time blocking template. First, click on the Marketplace option in the sidebar. This is where you can explore a variety of templates that cater to different needs. In the search bar, type Time Blocking Templates and press Enter. Browse through the options and select a template that suits your preferences. Click on the Add button to insert this template into your Notion workspace. Once you've added the template, visit your recently added section to view it. Check out the preset table. It offers a variety of tasks that can be categorized throughout your day. The beauty of this setup lies in its flexibility. Click on sections like Classes to start filling in specific time slots. You'll be prompted to select the appropriate time for your activities. Feel free to explore further by clicking on different categories such as lunchtime or homework. You can also right-click on any day to introduce another task option. If you need to add a new task, click on the plus sign that appears. A text box will open where you can type in a new entry. Once you've set this up, click on a time interval in your schedule to see how smoothly the template functions. It could be a simple activity like groceries, or alternatively, the new option you just added. The goal here is for you to customize the template to match your unique daily routine. Thanks to the inherent flexibility in Notion, adjusting your schedule is seamless. You can always come back to tweak and reorganize as your needs evolve. This simple setup not only helps you stay organized and on top of daily tasks, but also allows you to visualize your day with clarity. Remember that consistency is key. Regularly updating your Notion keeps you aligned with your goals and makes time management a breeze. Enjoy your newfound productivity as you navigate through your tasks with Notion and time blocking.